Ever wondered about the most lethal frog in the world? Meet the golden poison dart frog. This vibrant amphibian, a native of the Colombian rainforests, is as deadly as it is beautiful. Its skin secretes a poison potent enough to kill 10 grown men. But don't let its lethal nature fool you. This frog plays a vital role in its ecosystem, keeping insect populations in check. Despite its deadly nature, the golden poison dart frog is a fascinating creature indeed. Now imagine a frog with striking red eyes. That's the red-eyed tree frog for you. This intriguing creature is a vibrant spectacle adorned with a kaleidoscope of colors. Its body is a beautiful mix of emerald green, while its feet showcase hues of blue and yellow. However, it's the frog's fiery red eyes that steal the show, a perfect contrast to its predominantly green body. The red-eyed tree frog is a night owl, or rather, a night frog. When the sun goes down, these frogs wake up and become active, their red eyes acting like a headlight in the dark. They call the lush, humid rainforest of Central America their home, perfectly adapted to the nocturnal jungle life. The red-eyed tree frog is a true spectacle in the world of frogs. From the Amazon rainforest, we bring you the blue poison dart frog. This vibrant amphibian with its striking blue hue is a sight to behold. But don't let its beauty fool you. The blue poison dart frog's skin is laced with a potent toxin, a self-defense mechanism against predators. This toxin is so powerful that indigenous tribes have historically used it to tip their hunting darts, lending the frog its name. Despite its diminutive size, the blue poison dart frog plays a significant role in the ecosystem and in the lives of the communities that share its habitat. So, here's to the blue poison dart frog, a vivid reminder of nature's paradoxes. The blue poison dart frog, a deadly beauty in the frog kingdom. Next we have the master of camouflage, the Vietnamese Mossy frog. Now, this is a frog that takes hide-and-seek to a whole new level. With its moss-like appearance, it blends perfectly into the lush green rainforests of Vietnam. It's as if Mother Nature herself took a paintbrush and dabbed shades of green, brown, and red to create this living, breathing work of art. But the Vietnamese Mossy frog is not just about looking good. When threatened, it has a unique survival technique. It plays dead. Yes, it folds into itself, mimicking a lump of moss. This strategy often confuses predators, giving our clever little frog a chance to escape. The Vietnamese Mossy frog, a true survivor in the wild. Dive into the world of the bizarre with the Budgett's frog. This peculiar amphibian might not win any beauty contests, but it's certainly a head-turner. With its flat body, enormous mouth, and small beady eyes, the Budgett's frog seems almost alien in design. But it's not just its looks that set it apart. Its call is a distinctive high-pitched scream, a unique audio signature in the frog world. And when it feels threatened, well, that's when things get even more interesting. The Budgett's frog has the uncanny ability to inflate itself, making it appear larger and more formidable to predators. It's a defense mechanism as intriguing as it is effective. The Budgett's frog, an oddball among frog species. Ever seen a frog with a see-through belly? Welcome to the world of the glass frog. This unique amphibian, true to its name, sports a transparent underside, providing a clear view of its internal organs at work. Imagine being able to see a creature's heart beating, its food digesting, and even its eggs developing. An incredible sight, isn't it? The glass frog calls the lush rainforests of Central and South America home, where it thrives in the humid climate. Now let's talk about its reproductive behavior. The male glass frog is a dedicated father, guarding the eggs laid on the undersides of leaves until they hatch into tadpoles. The glass frog, a fascinating window into the inner workings of a frog. From Madagascar, we bring you the tomato frog. This captivating creature is a standout with its vibrant red color, a hue that's reminiscent of a ripe tomato, hence its name. But there's more to this frog than just its striking appearance. When threatened, the tomato frog has a unique defensive strategy. It secretes a sticky, toxic substance to deter predators, making it a tough morsel to swallow. However, despite its fight-back abilities, this beautiful amphibian is facing threats of its own. Due to habitat loss and pollution, the tomato frog is now considered endangered. Conservation efforts are in place to protect this red jewel of the amphibian kingdom. The tomato frog, a bright splash of color in the frog world. Now, meet the frog with a fierce reputation, the horned frog. This fascinating creature gets its name from the horn-like projections above its eyes, but perhaps the most intriguing feature of the horned frog is its large mouth, which accounts for half the length of its body. Imagine having a mouth that large. It's not just for show either. The horned frog is known for its voracious appetite, gobbling up anything from insects to other frogs, and even small mice. Don't be fooled by this frog's size. It may be small, but its appetite is mighty. In the world of frogs, the horned frog is certainly a force to be reckoned with. The horned frog, a formidable predator in the frog kingdom. Imagine a frog that can freeze and thaw. That's the wood frog for you. This amphibian has an uncanny knack for survival. Nestled in the heart of North America, the wood frog thrives in a world where freezing temperatures are just another day at the office. They have an extraordinary ability to freeze their bodies during the harsh winter period, and then thaw when spring arrives. Astonishing, isn't it? Now let's talk about their appearance. One of their most recognizable features is the dark robber's mask that stretches across their eyes. This unique marking is a key identifier of this resilient creature. From freezing and thawing to sporting a robber's mask, the wood frog is nothing short of extraordinary. The wood frog, a true marvel of nature's resilience. Finally, we present the frog with a pouch, the marsupial frog. This unique amphibian, found in the lush rainforests of Central and South America, has a fascinating reproductive behavior that sets it apart from its peers. Unlike other frogs, the marsupial frog carries its eggs in pouch-like structures on its back. These pouches are not just for show, they serve a vital role in the frog's life cycle. When the female lays her eggs, the male fertilizes them and then helps transfer them to her back. There they nestle into these pouches where they will mature from eggs to tadpoles, and eventually to full-grown frogs, completely bypassing the vulnerable tadpole stage in the water. This unique adaptation gives the marsupial frog a distinct advantage, allowing it to reproduce away from the dangers of aquatic predators. Living in harmony with the diverse ecosystems of Central and South America, the marsupial frog is a testament to the diverse adaptations of frogs around the world.